Ake ngikubingelele webhuti wami, ngiphinde ngikubingelele wesisi wami, ngikubingelele mawami. Ngiphinde ngithi ngicela uthathe le video uyise kumkhulu wakho noma uyise kugogo wakamakhelwane noma uyise kugogo hlala naye noma kumkhulu ohlala naye. Lalela ke sitha sami nawe ngiyakubingelela. Lalela ke, this is the prophecy for 2025. Wena uthanda ukukhuluma. Ukhehleleze uphinde uyakhuluma. Ngiyathanda ngoba uma ngikhuluma nginakeki, uma sezenzeka izinto ziyenzeka abantu abanaki. Lalelani ke, sikhulume ngo-2025. Sizokhuluma ngo-January, February, March, April, May, June, July, August, September, October, November, December. Number one, it is not going to be a good year. The first 6 months, it's not going to be a good year. But the last 6 months will be good to those who are clever and hard workers. U-2025, unzima kakhulu. Okokuqala asikhulume to those people abanama spirits noma abantu bemoya, abantu the prophets, izinyanga, izangoma, abantu abangakathwasi, abathi mabalele ebusuku baboniswa, abantu abasehlelwa umoya. Listen to me. I saw graves. Ngibona amathuna. Mangibona lamathuna ngabona belala kakhulu. Abantu bemoya. Kukhona into enyakaziswa ezweni laseNgilandi, kodwa lento inyakaziswa ngama spirit of satanist. Kunama spirit of satanist azolwa nemoya yamadlozi. Kukhona izifo ezibuyayo, ezizayo, eziza kabuhlungu kabi. Those that will disturb the youth, especially the youth. When I'm saying the youth, I'm talking about umntwana una 15 years to 30 years. Abazophazamiseka. There is a lot of population, lot of pregnancy. Ezizoba khona, ezizoyenzeka mazenzeka lama pregnancy. Ngibona baba beingane ingababoni, struggling or not affording to support labo bantwana. Kukhona izifo ezizayo. I saw something like a COVID, but it wasn't a COVID. I don't know whether to call it a flu or to call it sinuses. Evuka kubantu bemimoya, evuka kubantu abaphila ngabantu bemoya. Ngabona abantu abanamadlozi. Uthe lo muntu kimi anginitshele abantu abasebenza ngemoya noma abantu abathi mabelele ebusuku before kwenzeka izinto emakhaya abo baqale bayibonise ukuthi it is time for you to go back to your roots. Hamba ubuyele impandeni zakini. Kukhona into ozohletshelwa yona ebusuku. Uthe lo muntu kimi ningawathandisisi kakhulu amanzi asemifuleni noma amanzi kakhulu aphuma emadamini. Kukhona ubugebengu noma kunobutsotsi obenzakalayo noma obenziwe ngaphansi komhlabathi thina singaboni. Okunesifo esikhulu esizayo because they saw that the power that you have ibuye emanzini. I saw abantu bepolitiki. I had guns ngezwe ibhamu iqhuma kakhulu. They even said to me, I must talk about the Mozambique war, but I mustn't mix it too much with the prophecy of South Africa. I will even speak about some pastors, the things that they will face. I will specify the names of the pastors. This is only just part one that I'm talking about South Africa. There is a poverty. Kunendlala enkulu eza kubantu. People are going to lose everything. Lose their jobs. Let me come to ANC. ANC, it is the big ruling party egadikona over the past years. But ngibona so many things. I saw big boys. I saw abantu abathenjiwe turning against each other. Baze bathi kimi, I mustn't even worry about the president of South Africa. The president of South Africa, kusazoba nzima because you've got people who are very close to you, but they are no longer close to you. Those people are there to take money. They are using you. They are bearing you while I'm talking to you. Bayakungcwaba. Uthe lo muntu kimi, there is a poison that will be detected to the president, which is Mr. Ramaphosa. kune poison ezobanjwa poison emzimbeni wakhe azoyidla soon. There is going to be a rally that you are going to attend, and that rally will be disturbed by something of which I don't want to hint too much. But me angithandazele the commissioner of the police, of which is KZN Commissioner Mr. Mkhwanazi. Mr. Mkhwanazi, ukhona into abafuna ukuza kuwe baze bakulandele bathi corruption. There is a setup abayisetayo ngawe, but mabeyiseta it is not succeeding. Bayazama ukukusetapha, bazama ukuthi nasemsebenzini bamstop, but there is too much politics right now. Kunabantu bepolitiki asebengenelela kakhulu emsebenzini wakho because you are disturbing them kwezinye zezinto. Uthe uNkulunkulu kimi angithandazele mama bethu, ngithandazele amasonto, because amasonto amaningi this year it is the end of it. Bazowavala because so many people, they want to open their own churches and they won't afford to run those churches. Bathegimi angikhuleke kakhulu, ngikhuleke lokufa in the beginning of the year, but I saw this thing happening kakhulu emanzini. Angazi why amanzi ebulala iyouth noma ebulala abantwana kangaka, but ikhona lento efuna ukwenzeka, yenzeka ngamanzi. Kakhulu ngibone kukwata izinyoka zasemanzini, zakwata zaphenduka. Even I must even pray for the MK party. The MK party, we need to pray kakhulu for our president, Ubaba Umongameli Jacob Zuma. There is this thing as I'm frustrated kakhulu in such a way ukuthi uzogcina lose focus. I saw him losing the focus because kunento ayithembe kakhulu that will also affect the political party of MK. 2026, something wanna disturb amavoti. Ikhona lento efuna ukuphazamisa amavoti, but that it is there. Kunokufa phakathi okukhona okuningi kakhulu. Noma engathula kodwa impendulo ikhona. Uthele umuntu kimi ningabathathi kancane labantu basekuphakameni noma bakashembe, because kukhona umkhulu wakhona umkhulu ovuka ebesebambisana nesilo esakhothama esemebevuka bathi bona sebefuna ukuyilungisa lento yasemzansi, bayilungisa bathukuthele kakhulu. Uthele umuntu kimi asihambe kakhulu size siyoncenga umongameli. Ngithi hlanganani, kube sengathi kuhlangana kwenye izindawo. Kuze kwakhulunywa ngendaba yemsakazo le esakazela abantu. Angifuni ukuya kakhulu okhosini, kodwa imisakazo as a whole ngibone kuphela abantwana bakhona bephela one by one. Ngabuza ngathi kwenzakalani lathizwi, Nkosi yami, lathizwi lasezulwini Norman. Yazi isizwe sakithi siyaphela manje because there is a lack of respect, because abantwana balahlekelwe isimilo noma our generation ilahlekelwe isimilo. Angaze ngenza kanjani upresident, because bathe the biggest devil it is TikTok. The biggest devil it is TikTok, because kukhona umuntu wathwala kabi, wathwala bezweni lama-China baze bathwala ngumuntu odumile bafaka lento TikTok, because TikTok won't take umuntu omnyama kwenye indawo, but it is here to cause different troubles. Ziningi inkinga ezodala TikTok, abantu abazoyisana ezinkantolo abazodubulana okuzoyenzeka into eziningi, funny things. Even the demons, the spirits of the demons, they are starting to patrola kakhulu ebusuku. Abantu abaningi bazolahlekelwa imisebenzi ngenxa ka TikTok, but part 2 is coming.